This is the Amber and Jacqueline Show,
better known as the Piggy and Riffy Show. Woohoo!
Woo!
And today we are fixing every TV with the TV Guide thing. Yeah!
Yeah. Okay, so let's see. Where do we get this thing
Let's
going?
see.
Oh, no. Oh, I had it.
Look. Oh!
Wait.
What?
Wait.
Look, here's the beautiful TV Guide channel thingy where you program your TV. Oh, it's doing colorfuls.
It's not doing it!
She's not focused! She's not focused!
What the fudge cakes, yo?
No cussing this video is ready.
I said fudge cake. I said fudge cake.
You say fudge cakes on your voice too. Hey! Don't you do them. Don't do it. Don't do it. Hey, that is wrong. It's a pancake. In Chinese. Or the thumb in America. Yeah, right on. Do the Gabriel look, Riffy. Oh, yeah. Program your TV already. It's taking forever. By the way, you look sexy today.
Oh, no. I look a horrible mess.
You know it's going on my face, right?
I'm gonna tell you, you know that, right?
It's taking me like 20 minutes to upload my other video. Hey, look at my beautiful poster while we're waiting. I made her this and she cried. She bawled tears, man.
Oh,
It's so gorgeous. Oh, yes. And our beautiful smexy room and our writing. And pictures.
And
little bees.
playing back there. You know
And
that, right?
music. Yeah. And a door and more beads. And Rufy's hair concentrating. Oh, she burped. Doesn't her hair just looks so sexy today? Oh, look at them legs.
I shaved on the day, thank God.
Not her hair, I didn't shave.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
We got this. I got this. I got this. See? I got this. I won't
Thank you for joining the Riffy and Piggy Show, better known as the
Amber and Jacqueline Show.
Join us again next time whenever we try this again, but we gotta work it. Woohoo! Yeah, she's some money.
Tastes like chicken.